Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to open digital whiteboard on your Cisco Webex app. First, open the Cisco Webex meetings app and you're gonna start the meeting and just wait. And you have to share the link so that we can watch on the other phone or other iPad. My iPhone will appear in any minute now. It should appear. Yeah, my iPhone joined the meeting. There you can see it. It's connected to the audio. Don't click the three dots button. Click on the share button and click on the whiteboard, and you can see a white page and it is displayed on the iPhone. Yes. Yeah, and there are a bunch of colors. There is a pen and a pencil. I'm gonna click green color, pen green. If you draw anything, it will be displayed on the iPhone or the student's phone. You can clear. Undo button is there. At the ending left, I typed hello. This word will be displayed on the student's mobile any minute. Yeah, it is appeared. You can go back